Number 1.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. It has been driven 199,000 miles. Finished in red with a gray interior, it is powered by a dependable 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives great with no known mechanical issues, and it has been well cared for with good tires, a brand new battery, and a recently serviced air conditioning system. While it does have a few minor cosmetic blemishes consistent with its age, there are no major issues affecting its overall condition. In addition to its strong performance, this Chevrolet 1500 comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, air conditioning, a heater, cruise control, a factory tow package, and a canopy, making it both comfortable and practical for daily driving or towing. Combining four-wheel drive capability, reliable V8 power, and a solid list of features, this classic pickup offers a great balance of utility, comfort, and durability.
Number 2.
2002 Ford F-150, price $7,450, with 123,000 miles on the odometer, a 5-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a reliable 4.2-liter V6 gasoline engine. This gasoline-powered truck delivers solid performance and capability. Finished in a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, it runs and drives great while offering ice-cold air conditioning, a tonneau cover, power windows and locks, a reverse camera, and several additional convenience features that make it both practical and comfortable. The spacious cabin provides ample room for passengers and cargo, making the truck equally suited for work duties or weekend adventures. Its bold, timeless styling continues to stand out wherever it goes, while its excellent condition reflects careful ownership. Having had only one owner since new and accompanied by a clean Carfax report, this 2002 Ford F-150 XLT represents a reliable, versatile, and well-cared-for pickup that is ready for its next owner.
Number 3.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by its original 4.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, it has been driven 203,000 miles and continues to run and drive well with no check engine light. The truck has been well maintained, receiving an oil change, new AC Delco spark plugs, comp cam spark plug wires, and a new battery, and it comes with a clean Illinois title in hand. In addition to its reliable stock drivetrain, the truck features several quality upgrades, including a KN air intake, carbon or side exit exhaust, Big 3 electrical upgrade, full LED lighting, a Beltec 5.7 lowered suspension,
custom audio system, suede headliner, bed cover, and dark window tint.
While one headlight has moisture inside, the electric mirrors are not connected, and the exterior could use a polish. This Chevrolet 1500 remains a clean, dependable, and tastefully customized street truck.
Number 4.
2000 Dodge Dakota, price $5,950, powered by a reliable 4.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has been driven 135,000 miles and features a white exterior with a charcoal interior. Equipped with an extended cab and a 4WD/4X4 drivetrain, the truck also includes a bed liner, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, and fully functional air conditioning and heating for added comfort and convenience. It has been used as a truck, so it shows the normal signs of wear and tear expected from regular use. However, it has been well maintained throughout its life and remains a dependable pickup with plenty of life left, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a capable and practical midsize truck.
Number 5.
2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $7,900. It has been driven 114,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a powerful 5.9L Magnum V8 gasoline engine, and a blue exterior paired with a clean gray interior. This truck runs and drives amazingly well with no mechanical issues, and everything functions properly. It has always been regularly maintained and carefully taken care of, with cold-blowing air conditioning, a strong heater, and brand new tires providing a reliable and comfortable driving experience. The interior of this Dodge Ram 1500 remains in great condition, showing no rips, tears, or signs of smoking, making it a clean and enjoyable cabin for its next owner. The truck is completely rust-free, a major benefit for long-term ownership, and comes with a clean Washington title in hand.
With its dependable 4WD system, iconic Magnum V8 power, and excellent overall condition, this 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 SLT Laramie is a solid and well-preserved pickup ready for the road.
Number 6. 1985 Dodge D250, price $8,500. It has been driven only 70,000 miles and is powered by a 318 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. delivering dependable performance for everyday use. The truck features a brown exterior with a beige interior and runs on gasoline. This Dodge D250 has had all emissions equipment removed and has received numerous recent upgrades to ensure strong reliability, including a new intake and gaskets, water pump and gaskets, complete tune-up with new spark plugs, wires, cap and rotor, fresh fluids and filters, a rebuilt carburetor, electric fuel pump,
new rubber fuel lines, fuel tank, battery, and alternator.
The truck is exceptionally clean with very little rust and comes with a clean Michigan title.
Number 7.
1985 Chevrolet K20, price $5,500. It has been driven approximately 100,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, this gasoline-powered truck retains much of its original character and charm. It is powered by a reliable 350 engine that runs strong and is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing a traditional driving experience. The truck recently received brand new tires installed just 2 months ago, adding to its road readiness. The cabin front caps still feature mostly original paint, while the bed has been professionally repainted. Although the 4x4 system is currently not engaging, the owner believes the issue is likely related to the shift linkage, making it a straightforward area for inspection and repair. Overall, this Chevrolet K20 represents a solid classic pickup with original appeal, dependable performance, and the capability of a true 4-wheel drive work truck.
Number 8.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It has been driven 171,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. This 2WD truck is equipped with a 5.3L V8 engine and has been upgraded with shorty headers for improved performance. It also comes with power interior features, a Bluetooth radio, and 2 Scar audio subwoofers. The truck sits on 2020 Silverado stock wheels and will need new tires, while new lights have been installed all around to improve its appearance and functionality.
Number 9.
2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,995, with 165,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, gray interior, and a gasoline-powered engine. This K3500 LS Crew Cab 4x4 offers seating for up to 6 passengers and is equipped with a powerful big block engine, a long bed, and a manual select 4x4 system, making it a capable and dependable choice for both work and off-road use. This truck is Carfax certified with only one previous owner, and its frame remains in good condition. It runs and drives very well, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience.
The entire clutch system has been replaced, ensuring excellent shifting performance and improved dependability.
With its strong drivetrain, spacious crew cab configuration, and proven work truck capability, this Chevrolet 3500 is ready to handle demanding tasks while still offering comfort and practicality.
Number 10.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It has been driven 170,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, gasoline-powered 5.7L V8 engine, 4x4 drivetrain, and a gray exterior with a matching gray interior. It also features ice-cold AC, hot heat, power windows, and power door locks for added comfort and convenience. The exterior has some minor dings and scratches, while the interior shows a small tear on the passenger seat and somewhere on the headliner, but both could be easily repaired.